TPMS, or Tire Pressure Monitoring System, is a safety feature required on all vehicles manufactured after September 2007 in the United States. This system continuously monitors your tire pressure and alerts you when pressure drops below safe levels. There are two main types of TPMS systems. Direct TPMS uses individual sensors mounted inside each wheel that transmit real-time pressure and temperature data via radio frequency. Indirect TPMS uses your vehicle's ABS wheel speed sensors to detect pressure loss by monitoring differences in wheel rotation speed. You can identify a bad TPMS sensor through several DIY methods. Start with a visual inspection of your valve stems and tires, then verify actual pressures with a gauge, check dashboard warning patterns, and use an OBD2 scanner for fault codes. Check for uneven tire wear patterns, which can indicate chronic underinflation caused by a failing sensor. Different wear patterns tell different stories about your tire's pressure history. Use a tire pressure gauge to verify actual pressures against your vehicle's recommended pressures, which are found on the door placard. This helps distinguish between actual low pressure and sensor malfunction. Check your dashboard for specific warning patterns. Some TPMS systems can indicate which specific tire is low, while others show only a general warning light. If you have an OBD2 scanner, check for fault codes in the P0 series that are specifically related to TPMS issues. These codes can pinpoint exactly which sensor is failing and why. Common TPMS sensor failure modes include battery depletion, which is the most frequent cause, physical damage from road debris, valve stem deterioration, and water intrusion that damages the electronics. Understanding these failure patterns helps you identify the root cause of sensor problems. Modern TPMS diagnostic tools have revolutionized DIY troubleshooting. Today's tools feature Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone apps that put professional-level diagnostics in your hands. Professional tools like the Autel Maxi TPMS TS508 and 8VT56 enable DIY enthusiasts to perform diagnostics that were once only available at service centers. These tools can read sensor data, program universal sensors, and perform relearn procedures. Before investing in diagnostic tools, you can perform a simple manual pressure adjustment test. Use a quality tire pressure gauge to check each tire, then adjust pressures to the correct specification and see if the warning light resets. Not all TPMS problems are sensor-related. RF interference from aftermarket electronics, ECU communication failures, and antenna problems can also cause system issues. Understanding these possibilities helps avoid unnecessary sensor replacements. According to the Tire Industry Association's 2024 report, 68% of TPMS service calls are due to sensor battery failures. When proper tools and procedures are used, DIY diagnosis accuracy improves to 85%, potentially saving you $150 to $300 per incident. While DIY diagnostics can be effective, certain situations require professional help. Seek expert assistance if you experience multiple sensor failures simultaneously, intermittent system warnings with no clear pattern, or if your vehicle has specific programming requirements.